How do I get documents authenticated by the Department of State? Imagine needing to send important documents abroad for your family's immigration process. You want everything to go smoothly and avoid delays. That's where document authentication comes in. If you are a Latino family preparing for family-based immigration, especially for and married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, understanding this process is key. First, you need to figure out which documents requiring authentication. Common ones include birth certificates, marriage certificates, divorce decrees, and official federal records. If your document was issued by a state agency, like a state birth certificate, you will need to contact your state's Secretary of State office instead of the Department of State. Next, make sure your document is a certified copy. This means it has an official seal and the signature of the authority who issued it. Photocopies or uncertified copies won't work. You can get certified copies from the original issuing agency or the state office that issued the document. Once you have the certified copy, you can submit it to the Department of State for authentication. You can do this either in person or by mail. If you choose to go in person, visit the Department of State's authentication office during their business hours, usually early mornings on weekdays. You will need to fill out a request form, bring the original certified document, and pay a fee. The fee is usually around $25 per document. If you prefer mailing your documents, send the certified copies along with a completed request form, payment by check or money order, and a prepaid return envelope. Make sure to send your package to the address provided on the Department of State's website. Processing time is generally several business days, but it can vary. When submitting your documents, clearly specify the country where you will use them. This helps determine whether you need an apostille or a full authentication. An apostille is used for countries part of the Hague Convention, and a full authentication is for countries not in the convention. Both options confirm your document is genuine and legally valid abroad. If you are in a hurry due to an emergency like a family illness or urgent travel, you might qualify for same-day service. You will need to provide proof of the emergency and your travel plans. This service is limited and requires special arrangements. Always check the latest requirements and fees before submitting your documents. Rules and costs can change, so visiting the Department of State's official website is a good idea. If you're unsure about any step, consider consulting an immigration lawyer or trusted legal service. Properly authenticated documents can help prevent delays in your family's immigration process and make everything go more smoothly.